Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by verifying essentials so you don't waste time. First, update the Gmail app and your device OS. Outdated software often blocks alerts. Next, make sure system notifications are enabled and do not disturb is off, because those override app settings. Finally, confirm you're signed into the correct Gmail account and that sync is active. Once done, continue to the app-level notification settings to inspect label-specific and priority controls, which we'll adjust next. Now you'll dive into Gmail's internal settings to control what triggers notifications and why. Open Gmail, tap Settings, pick your account, and set notifications to all so nothing is silently ignored. Then inspect individual label notification settings. Primary and any custom labels need alerts enabled. This determines the how and why of what notifies you. Also review filters, forwarding rules, and inbox categories because filters can archive or skip the inbox. Finish by eliminating system interference and corrupt data. Clear the Gmail app cache, then reboot your device. If problems persist, reinstall the app to reset settings. Next, disable battery optimization for Gmail so background sync can run. Many Android and some iOS power settings kill notifications. Test by sending a fresh email to yourself and watch for the alert. If you still don't get notifications, check the notification log or temporarily add a second account to isolate account-level issues. This single step often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.